Привет! Рада приветствовать тебя на уроке, посвященном частям тела и императивам. Hello, glad to welcome you to a lesson on body parts and imperatives. But before we start a new topic, let's repeat the previous one. Повторение. I'm happy. Я счастлив. Или я счастлива. I'm in love. Я влюблен. Или я влюблена. I'm embarrassed. Я смущен. Или я смущена. I'm surprised. Я удивлен. Или я удивлена. I'm scared. Я напуган. Или я напугана. I'm frustrated. Я расстроен. Или я расстроена. I'm angry. Я зол. Или я зла. I'm bored. Мне скучно. I feel sad. Мне грустно. I feel anxious. Мне тревожно. I'm comfortable. Мне комфортно. I'm tired. Я устал. Или я устала. I'm nervous. Я нервничаю. I'm worried. Я беспокоюсь. I'm shy. Я стесняюсь. I'm confused. Я в замешательстве. I'm excited. Я в восторге. Отлично. Now we are ready to learn new vocabulary. And our first word is body. Тело. Тело. Body. Тело. Next word. Head. Голова. 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 Head. Голова. Face. Лицо. 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 Face. Лицо. Eyes. Глаза. 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 Eyes. Глаза. Brows. Брови. 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 Brows. Брови. Nose. Нос. Нос. Nose. Нос. Next word. Cheeks. Щеки. 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 Cheeks. Щеки. Lips. Губы. 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 Lips. Губы. Mouth. Рот. Рот. Mouth. Рот. Teeth. Зубы. 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 Teeth. Зубы. Ears. Уши. 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 Ears. Уши. Hair. Волосы. 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 Hair. Волосы. Chest. Грудь. 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 Chest. Грудь. Back. Спина. 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 Back. Спина. Stomach. Живот. 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 stomach – живот. Arms, hands – руки. 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 The fact is that in the Russian language there is a special word denoting hands, but we rarely use it and use the word руки, руки, for that part of the body that starts from the shoulder and ends with the fingers. Arms, hands, руки. Okay, next word. Shoulder. Плечо. 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 Shoulder. Плечо. Elbow. Локоть. 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 Elbow. Локоть. Wrist. Запястье. 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 Wrist. Запястье. And here is the word that means hands. Hands. However, it's used quite rarely. Кисти. 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 Hands. Кисти. Next word. Fingers. Пальцы. 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 Fingers. Пальцы. Hip. Бедро. 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 Hip. Бедро. Next word. Here the case is the same as with the hands. Most often, when it comes to the part of the body that starts from the hip and ends with the toes, we call it collectively ноги. Ноги. So if after a long walk in uncomfortable shoes, your feet hurt, then you can say мои ноги болят. It's like my legs hurt. Мои ноги. My legs. Using the word ноги. Okay, next word. Knee. Колено. 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 Knee. Колено. Ankle. Лодыжка. 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 Ankle. Лодыжка. Please note that the letter J in front of the voiceless consonant k sounds like its paired consonant sh. Лодыжка. Лодыжка. Not лодыжка, but лодыжка. Лодыжка. Softly. If you still want to specify those parts of the legs that start from the ankle and ends with the toes, you can use the following word. Стопы. Стопы. Feet. Стопы. In Russian, there is no special word for toes as in English, so the analog of the word toes in Russian is a combination of two words. Пальцы, пальцы, fingers, ног, of legs. Пальцы ног. Toes, пальцы ног. To complete the exercise that will be in this lesson, we need this verb of the first conjugation. To touch. Трогать. 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 I touch. Я трогаю. You touch. Ты трогаешь. He touches. Он трогает. She touches. Она трогает. It touches. Оно трогает. We touch. Мы трогаем. You touch, plural. Вы трогаете. They touch. Они трогают. Great! We remembered the conjugation of the first type of verbs, and the final point of the theory of this lesson is imperatives. Императивы. 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 To build an imperative for verbs which stem ends in a consonant, we take the third-person plural form, drop the verb's ending, and add e for the singular or informal form, or we add ite for the plural or formal form. For example, the verb to look, to watch, смотреть. Смотреть. The third-person plural form is смотрит. Смотрит. We take the ending it, we drop it and change it into the ending e for the singular, смотри, смотри, or we change it into the ending ite for the plural, смотрите, смотрите. Смотри for the singular, смотрите for the plural. To form a negative imperative, you just need to add a partis не before your verb. Look, смотри. Don't look, не смотри. And for the plural or formal form, look, смотрите. Don't look, не смотрите. Another example, the verb to speak, говорить. Говорить. Its stem ends with the consonant r. The third-person plural form is говорит, говорит. We drop the ending it, and change it into e or ite. Говори. Speak. Говори. Don't speak. Не говори. And for the plural, speak. Говорите. Or don't speak. Не говорите. Great. Now let's take a look at the second case. To build imperative for verbs which stem ends in a vowel, take the third-person plural form, drop the verb's ending, and add ye for the singular or informal form, or add yite for the plural or formal form. For example, the verb to listen, слушать, слушать. Its stem ends with the vowel a. The third-person plural form is слушает, слушает. So we drop the ending yet, and change it into ye for the singular. Слушай, listen, слушай. Don't listen, не слушай. Or we change it into ите for the plural. Listen, слушайте. Or don't listen, не слушайте. And the last example with the verb to touch, трогать. Трогать. The third-person plural, трогает. The imperative form for the singular, трогай. Touch, трогай. Don't touch, не трогай. And for the plural, touch, трогайте. Don't touch, не трогайте. Excellent! Превосходно! Превосходно! And it's exercise time. First of all, your task is to read these sentences and then translate them into English. When you're ready, check the correct answers. Ready? Let's check it. Possessive pronouns in your variants may be absent. Не трогай волосы. Don't touch your hair. Они трогают колени. They touch their knees. Не трогай руки. Don't touch your hands. Не трогай уши. Don't touch your ears. Вы трогаете пальцы. You touch your fingers. Не трогай стопы. Don't touch your feet. Я трогаю нос. I touch my nose. Не трогай глаза. Don't touch your eyes. Она не трогает губы. She doesn't touch her lips. Не трогай рот. Don't touch your mouth. Nice. Прекрасно. Прекрасно. Great. Let's repeat what we learned today. Повторяй за мной. By the way, повторяй. It's imperative form. Повторять. To repeat. Повторяй. It is the imperative form. Okay. Body. Тело. Head. Голова. Face. Лицо. Eyes. Глаза. Brows. Брови. Nose. Нос. Cheeks. Щеки. Lips. Губы. Mouth. Рот. Teeth. Зубы. Ears. Уши. Hair. Волосы. Chest. Грудь. Back. Спина. Stomach. Живот. Arms. Hands. Руки. Shoulder. Плечо. Elbow. Локоть. Wrist. Запястье. Hands. Кисти. Fingers. Пальцы. Hip. Бедро. Legs. Feet. Ноги. Knee. Колено. Ankle. Лодыжка. Feet. Стопы. Toes. Пальцы ног. To touch. Трогать. Congratulations! You have another completed Russian lesson behind you. Behind your back. За твоей спиной. Спина? Спиной. Behind your back. За твоей спиной. I hope you are already seeing progress. So keep it up and you will succeed. See you at the next lesson. Bye-bye. Пока-пока.